push up.
You see part of the video. Muno, God will bless you.
No, don't listen.
Lucy, because let me talk. She can say, I know you want to push up my body.
Yes.
My sister will think of your motor to your body.
Yes.
Oh, is there another motor you're talking about?
Mr. Nedu, look her well now. Look this girl well.
Okay, she be motor. Yeah, Mercedes G-Class.
Very pushable.
Oh, now the motor be that. Oh, I know this motor now. If you not take her, Muno say, slow. She said no.
Push it.
Harder.
Oh, yeah, make I sing now. Baby, will you give it to me slow?
Push it.
Give it to me slow.
Push it.
Give it to me slow.
Push it. Put your hand. Yeah.
Producer.
Don't try us, RudeBoy. Watch out for us. We are coming for you.
Zaga,
Yaga.
You guys.
Now back to you, Muno. Since I get one Muno song we Muno do for 2012 now. I love that song. Muno, do small.
Okay, wait.
Song. If you do small, if you
why
remember
you love
the song.
The song blow?
It ministered to me.
Oh.
You see, that kind of song that they sing, you will lift your hand in worship.
So, but then, it's a Christian, no, I don't know, gospel song or what?
No, sing them.
Baby, why you just a cry every time you just a vex? With the tears in your eyes, still hard for you to cry. Okay, baby.
Give it to me slow.
Push it. How long did you do to the industry?
That song was a cover for Lil Wayne's How to Love. How to Love, if you remember the song. And we did it, I did it.
Why you dey romance yourself?
Call the cash me.
Oh. My brother,
so if they carry you go US now, you cannot handle
the life for you. The AC here is quite
you are in the US.
You know, it's chilling.
You are outside the country. You are outside the country. And now you say we no cash.
If I enter another country, I prepare my mind.
No, so how long you go say you done the music industry?
Professionally since 2010.
Okay.
Professionally.
So, well, because I know say get one song.
You know, say when they say professional, I'm going to say confuse somebody. What do you mean? You start to make money in.
They make money from
man. No, professionally, I was introduced by.
So you think we cannot speak English? So forget it.
No, mind me, no verse.
Medina, that guy where that guy did?
Medina, we sing like Pami.
I know him. Where you go? Okay, but let's say the guy on the same church card for this. No. We'll continue.
It's not like that.
I know, don't mind me.
I've been singing, I don't sing since I small.
For your mama belay, abi?
No, nah.
If I talk like that, nah.
No, I'm not saying a cliche thing to talk, but I don't already sabi waiting good music since I small.
Okay.
It's just that this
when you take to hear this good music
from this part of the world, we need it to identify that talent.
Kind of music.
That kind of talent at that time. So I sing my truth cuts, but my popsy and momsy go be like, go to school. What do they do? Or go sing for bedroom. It's okay.
Which kind of song? Which kind of song, Lucy? You go say okay, because if you ask me which kind of music I take like music. I use country music, take like music.
Okay.
You understand? Before I can begin branch into other music.
Easy, which one you? Because me na rhythms and blues.
Rhythms and blues, same thing, R&B.
Me na country music.
My own R&B.
So waiting we talk now, waiting. R&B.
Oh yeah, rhythms and blues now. Yeah.
Sorry, is it? Una different. That is why I'm different. You know why I use country begin like music? That time we go school for Prince College for Kaduna. That time we say leave for P5, go to street. Kakuri. With the way you learn white, Katim, they go say me could go school. I go jump class. Then I go jump first. Then I'll go the Kaduna Gymnasium where Oyibo people they do gymnastic. They will come they play Don William. You know, say Amanda, you know something. I can't begin.
That sounds like an Igbo song.
Now you find trouble now. Now you find trouble now, Lucy.
Now you find trouble.
No. In case you think that we don't know Don Williams kind of song. I recall a woman. Don't try us.
Our phone lines on the open. We're gonna begin the call out today for talk to MUNO and Lucy for inside the studio.
Miss HDB on top Twitter say, I noticed MUNO's video appears slimmer to that of Rihanna.
Walk, walk, walk.
Walk, walk,
It's
walk,
not really.
walk,
I don't
Now
walk
it's
in
now
the
it's people
light.
talk.
Yeah.
I went to, I've been go one radio station one time, and the guy was like, there's this controversy. I'm like, controversy? That your video looks like Rihanna's walk, 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 walk video. I say, which one?
Who shot the video?
Godfather.
Okay.
Directed by Paul.
Okay.
Okoye. I can't wonder, say, which one be controversy? To your eyes, it looks like Rihanna's walk, walk, walk video. But what we try do now, we try give the video what it deserves.
Yeah.
Okay.
The song,
The
we just
vibe.
wanted to do something different. Sometimes your idea, you know, might come up from one place that is similar to, you know, for other people. But trust me,
No be
now
say
God
una
day
carry
my
am.
mind.
So when you arrange the
When
waka.
we arrange the waka.
Where una shoot the video?
In South Africa.
The two
Joburg.
videos.
But the place one are there for that video, when I got there for inside one place, they come there for street. Street plenty for Lagos now. Now feed one for here
They
now.
for grow every Ijesha now.
And yellow guys there in Nigeria here with the bleach.
No,
So those ones are not seeing any yellow girl.
No. Some people they get wrong. Now say if you say you want to go shoot video outside the country, you must show street showing. No, sometimes if they feel be maybe the crew. If the crew is that side and it's inconvenient for them to come here.
More so,
you
it
go
is cheaper,
there.
maybe.
Yes, you know,
Cheaper.
sometimes it's cheaper also. You know, so I would say we just try to put out a good video.
So for the question I ask you, say you don't do into music since 2012. So basically, if you calculate another like 4 years now.
Yeah, 5 years.
Ish.
No,
Okay.
since 2010.
So
5 years.
five and a half.
Okay, Ify from Germany. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
How is you?
How are you?
I am.
Ify, how they say good evening for Germany?
Guten Abend.
Could you Alben one now? Could you Albino? Sorry, Alben. Oh, what up to us today? Hey, you get MUNO and Lucy. Eh?
Sorry? What did you say?
Oh, pardon. No.
It's okay.
What am English? We have the MUNO and Ify inside the studio. Lucy. As in Lucy, as a Lucy.
Ife.
Eh?
Hello.
Hello.
How far now?
You to see.
How you
Oh
doing?
my God, Katim, I love you so much.
Now her talent. People they love her like that.
Yeah, Katim and Easy Beats, he's a wonderful guy. And my guy, they do thumbs up.
We love you too.
love you
I
too.
them all like this. Even case
My sister, what do they do for Germany?
I
that
work.
kind of work.
I'm a housewife for now because I'm pregnant. I have 2 kids. I have a good life here.
Where your husband from?
Where your husband from?
Time call, please.
Where? Oh, first time caller. Hold on.
Give him.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Sorry? Yeah.
Hey, oh my God. Give me.
Sorry.
Are you ready? Sorry, MUNO. Are you ready?
Take two.
Action.
Oh my God.
Hold on. Are you ready?
Wait for action.
I'm very ready.
Action.
Take it. Good night.
Greet your husband.
Kevin, good evening. Greet your husband. Lash your hair. Husband. Kevin from Isola, good evening.
Good evening.
How is you?
I'm
boy
good.
voice.
I'm good.
You're a big boy now. See how voice come down.
I don't know.
Who you want to talk to? I'm not saying that the girl you want to talk to Lucy.
Medu, now you now.
Kevin,
I don't trust
Medu,
you.
how are you?
fine. Wait, fine.
I see you with your fine blazers. Medu, I need that blazers.
The blazer come with trousers. You need the trousers too.
I know, like the blazers now. I need.
So, wait.
I want to tell you something, Medu.
Oh, yeah.
I make you remember the book of, I think, Second Corinthians.
What do you talk there?
Now that woman, now go ask that woman, what did the book of Corinthians talk now?
I don't remember what in the talk. Bye. So you want naked me collect my jacket? Naked for here.
I say make you go collect the trousers too.
Collect my cloth now.
Yes.
Just tell me where you they stay for 1004. Now I just come.
Are you there? Why are you looking for a man? Good night. Hey. So, MUNO, you say so basically like 5-6 years now. Now you don't do music
You
profession.
only speak English, oh. No, don't try to be like me, man. Don't try to be like me.
You know, there is the problem. Can you say face? When we enter our... do you know how many international language we speak? Do you know how many international language we speak?
Lucy, it seems when you don't do music, you fine, no?
Thank you.
No, now just they see you well.
No, Nendu, wait first.
Hey, tomato!
Nendu, no.
Hello, Kwebwe.
They make me blush now, eh?
Hey! Kiss me here.
Slap you today.
Now you don't get lipstick for your face.
My sister made lipstick. Hello, Naya.
Lucy,
She dey hear you.
with innocent eye before. Now when I see the music video, I know say that Ogedi Mama you. Yeah, your music is nice.
Thank you. Thank you. What's your name? Naya. Naya.
MUNO.
Yes, so.
Now where you shoot that video, talk to Alan. They're too much. Where you pack them like this? Now we try like this.
Na love, oh, na love. As they hear say we dey town.
Naya, help us ask them.
As they hear say we dey town for Joe
I
Bob.
like her.
Thank you very
But
much.
Mary Celeste, they look for you.
Tell her say I dey Wazobia TV.
All right.
Naya, thank you. Good night. Now, I be ask you, so how long, Lucy, you done into music?
I've been in music all my life.
Since when them born you?
Since they born me. The first time when
From
I
Belen, now you
sing.
sing choir?
From
So
Belen.
maybe your mama, I come back there because maybe when your mama pregnant, when your mama 1 year on, instead of me do, it's your boy wanna, because they sing from her belly.
But actually, the first time when I sing now, when I was about, I think 4 years old.
You remember?
Well, I remember.
You remember?
Small.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, like, I
just a
remember
little bit.
small.
Or maybe the down on you.
I been there, true.
The
go
picture
ahead, fire.
the picture there. So every time when I see the picture, they get small remembrance. Yeah.
So I say, now only you then your family or you get brothers and sisters?
I get 4 brothers and 1 sister.
Now, which number you be for your family?
I'm the last child.
Yeah, no wonder. See, the baby.
Naya said that her eye no be the baby. Who been be your influences
for music?
My influences for music. I get many influences, so
that's why your song be like that now. Many influences.
Rihanna join, Abi.
I listen to Rihanna as well, oh. So the thing with
so who you lean to highest?
Like
I shall with who be our best customer. We won't go break up.
Come, we judge you.
Okay, influences from when I first started listening to music.
My sister,
because I use that one they judge because those are the first sound we stick to your head. And one of them, I know it sounds cliche, now actually PSquare.
Okay.
So I listen to them when and Aliyah, I used to love. I remember when I carry snake for my neck, fake snake, like you know the WB snake, and I'll be doing the Aliyah dance.
Now your papa they sing or your mommy they sing?
Huh?
Your daddy they sing or your mommy they sing?
Look at look at.
You be like the baby tutu. Just remain to press up.
MUNO, which songs? I ask the same question. Now, what you go say be your influence for music? What be the people when they say?
There's Boyz II Men. There's Mario. There's Usher. There's Chris Brown.
No, but it's okay. Don't answer it.
See,
You're all right. It's okay.
Everybody win. Make it talk.
The truth is, when I was getting my sound, you know, I listened to a lot of people and they influenced me unconsciously.
Come back home. Come back. Now, because we're not down for maths today. Speak
I don't know as the thing take happen, but when I can't set out to record my own song,
yes,
I believe the originality came out.
Come out. You know? Because the truth, if you check MUNO kind of sound, you go see Chris Brown inside, you go see that Mario inside, you go see a bit of
Usher and
New
Boyz.
thing I think as a musician, you they get influence subconsciously.
Yeah, whether I like it or not. Whether I like it or not.
It gets people where you don't listen to while growing up in the music, scene.
You
must
Let me ask you. When they write on a songs, because not a special talent. You know, for the way say, you don't hear.
We they write our songs, but this period where we dey under RudeBoy, they make sure say he oversee every little thing we do. RudeBoy wrote Never regret.
Never regret.
You know, from scratch.
You write down your own song
He
to the
wrote
finish.
Special Driver,
Special.
and he also oversaw, you know, turning like my second single.
You can watch out for RudeBoy. There's so many things that he is where we don't know.
So because of that, me and Nedu want ask una now. Why you think say RudeBoy just carry two of una like this? Say, oh yeah, under your umbrella.
This is where I'm pointing out.
You know, just carry us.
It was
some
good.
way, somehow.
How?
We just meet. Okay, my own story. It long go.
Okay. Cut and short.
But I'll just cut
Sorry.
it short.
Who you are? Good evening from Yaba, not vex.
Hello, good evening.
Hello. How is you?
Kasim, how now?
Sweet man, I'm all right now that you have calling.
Boss, good evening.
Okay. MUNO
Yes, sir.
and Lucy.
Yes, so.
Your video was so nice.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I greet
2
you.
weeks ago at the radio station, I look at the radio station. I was you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, man. God bless you.
God
Thank
bless
you.
Nice videos. I
Thank
just
you.
want to say you guys a nice job.
Thank you.
Who you are? You don't chop night food? You don't chop night food?
Why I won't take no now?
I got to ask you now.
Ask you now.
You know what I
Because
want to
we
you food now. We're caring for you now.
You say what?
Yes. Good night.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Anyway, we'll watch another video from MUNO. When we come back, we will answer the question. Oh, then I watch another video again.
Because if you play another video of MUNO, you must play another video of Lucy.
See, no, now 1.5 video. Two of us. Because this video now, me and Lucy dey inside.
Oh, it's okay now. I do all right.
Will they come back?
Yeah.
It wasn't my buttocks, so.
Oh, no, not my own now. Now the video. Now my mom pump with that. She wear, what did she wear?
She wear.
I wear trouser now.
Now what will you try? My sister, I don't know. You will not make heaven, no?
Trouser.
So now, you know what trouser now? What are you wearing?
The trouser.
My brother, my sister, and a short knicker.
Wait till happen. She dey house. No be inside house we dey. Finish now.
Hey! He got no sense. Now your food is sweet fast. Why the food is sweet fast? Who not go sit down like this? He got kind of. Hey! Oh, I'm happy. Jesus!
Oh my God!
Hey, Jehovah!
I just try to remind her saying her soup sweet.
My brother! He didn't come again! My brother! Wait! Which soup? Why now? Why you can't have the soup? The sweet. Why not the one is down there? Oh, your soup, the sweet. He can't carry. Oh, baby, your soup, the sweet. Which soup?
Now the soup now.
What's the way man? When man appreciate the wine.
My sister will not see any of the soup. My sister
will not. Who knows? Leave that thing. Who not the small picking?
I don't know.
You
don't mind him.
I bet you see any soup for that video.
No, you don't blame him now because we don't wear glasses.
We don't wear glasses. You said I was wearing. And now, what you wear? Anyway, MUNO and Lucy, then will come back very, very soon on top of the show where we will get proper time to talk to them. Today, I play.
You know, say you get some kind people where we say, you know, they fit open this our domot enter anyhow.
We go give them ID card now. Officially, we love both of them.
MUNO, Monjaro, that's those husband wives. He gets some people who just
officially now. Whether I like them or not, now our family members, More they name them. More they name them. Una know them. Anthony Monjaro, now one.
Yes.
Asaf.
Husband and wife,
Okashawa people. Kiki.
Yes.
Kiki Omeni. And then MUNO and Lucy. Follow them on top Twitter and Instagram. What's your Instagram handle, Biko?
At MUNO Sings for Twitter and Instagram. MUNOSINGS.
If you want.
And on Facebook, MUNO Sings Oriero.
Yes. Oriero. Be like Italian name. Oriero too.
I don't see Lucy picture for Instagram. If you see picture, where they are.
No, Lucy Instagram handle. No.
Lucy, what is your Instagram
handle na Lucy Candy May.
Hey.
Candy and only May.
Nedu, that name remind you of what? Nedu, that name remind you of what?
Spicy.
Yeah, no.
Candy is just.
We know. Lucy Candy.
Lucy
Candy May.
CandyMay.
Mabasi. Lucy you. Lucy Candy May.
Instagram and Twitter.
Mabasi.
Mono, Una will come back for the show very soon. But before Una come up for inside studio, wait till you get to talk to your fans, where they go get your music, what will be the message you give to your fans, where they go fit download your music and the rest of them.
There's no specific place to get my music because it's everywhere online. Just Google MUNO, Never Regret. MUNO, Slow, featuring.
No, just MUNO.
RudeBoy.
All your work will come out.
No, you get one MUNO where they online. No. If you go type MUNO, you go see one dog, baby.
So,
okay. Download MUNO songs.
MUNO
songs.
MUNO songs. Then Lucy, just check Lucy
Candy May.
Lucy
Candy May songs. You go get Lucy songs. Anyway, double toilet to everybody we call us. Double toilet all of our way there. Double toilet to RudeBoy.
Rude.
And to the whole family of RudeBoy Records. We love all of them.
Thank you guys.
The whole
We love
family
you
of
guys
Nigeria.
so much.
We belong to everybody, but we belong to no one.
Come on, wine for us. Play the music.
Hey.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.